Habakran sigilat pathai kubor hadin balawai ke jingalang kenhun menteri ke Sorkar MDA2 ke balalong ha ke sipau tarik unai tung arja arpusau menteri rangba ke Jylla Konrad ke sangma ula pentem ya ke jing terwa ke Sorkar bagi company Sam Umphniang Petrol Pump makin Siew depno e ke khajna ki baya day bat ke khajna Meghalaya Goods and Services Tax Rule arja khatnyo ke balasa teng nakidau ba ke sot kalanang kiu hakis nambal dep Kapisa bagi Sorkar kala syak ram nagi company Sam Umphniang Petrol kala poi hadu lai pusan Klur ke khajna bad lai Klur tam ke sud bad habaken lang ya baro kala kot lai pupra Klur tingka bagi company Umphniang Petrol ke depan Siew.
We have also come up for a proposal where payments of arrears that is there under the Meghalaya Taxation Act in terms of the VAT and the sales tax that is to be paid by the petroleum and the other petroleum products, basically petrol pumps. As you're aware that in some cases there were some petrol pumps that have not paid the dues that are due to them, and because of financial situations the interest is piling up, and hence to avoid a situation where things just are not resolved in the future and these interests keep piling up, we have come out with a one-time kind of a settlement program with the different petrol pumps where we are freezing the interest amount and the principal amount and then dividing them into equal installments. Depending on the amount that is due, the installments will differ, but the idea being that we are giving an option to the petrol pumps to be able to repay the amounts of the tax that they're supposed to pay, which they have not, some of them, amounting to close to 35 crores, and with interest it's about 3 crores more, so about 38 crores is due. And the different petrol pumps, as I said, depending on the amount that is due, the installments, number of installments will be given to them, an option will be given, and we expect that the petrol pumps should accept this particular proposal. So that was a second decision that was made.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka Umphniang kadut page ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi bana kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya.